Hi all, welcome to my channel, The Millennial Chef. Today we're gonna make nachos.
So we have 1 onion, we're gonna cut it.
Then we put the beef, into the oven. And we start cutting tomato, but we want to take out the middle part because we don't want it to be too juicy. Yeah, like that. Cut. And then we start adding jalapeno. Just cutting, actually we're not adding it to anything yet. Take out the seed because it doesn't taste good. And then you add the onion to the meat. If your meat have some fat, make sure you drain it. That is a very important process. But my meat didn't have a lot of fat, so I just added the onion. And then you add tomato and canned tomato, like half a canned tomato, and then you start stirring it and stuff. And a little bit, we're gonna add some paste. Yeah, the paste. And then you add garlic, 1 or 2 depending what your preference is. I usually like 1 or 2 for mine, but some people can have 10 of them. Whatever your heart desire. And we have here some chili powder, some cumin, and some taco seasoning, just because I wanna feel more authentic food. And look at that, all mixed up. And we're stirring it. Looking good, right? And then we're gonna build your nacho towers. And that looks pretty good. No, just kidding, there's nothing on it yet. So we're gonna start adding our meat. Looks so good. Cheese, which is very good for nacho, very important step. And remember, like I was cutting the onion, the tomato and jalapeno, cilantro, all that mix is now coming in handy. And you add lemon if you want like a really nice tasty and like good on your mouth stuff. You add lemon into your greens. That looks good, really good. Now you put it in the oven. Almost done. You put your avocado on top because it gives it a very good color, but also tastes good. The last step will be just adding some pretty colors like sour cream. Look at that. Looks good, right? Agreed. I loved it.
hope you enjoyed these delicious nachos. And they just melted in your mouth. And you thank your millennial chef by subscribing to my channel and smashing that like button. Comment below if you would like us to cook something for you next week.